Hello, my name is Dr. Vinita and I'm the oncologist in Felix Hospital, Noida. As we all know, the month of May is regarded as the National Skin Cancer Awareness Month, and this will be the right time to discuss about the risks of skin cancer, the prevention of skin cancer, and a brief detail about the diagnosis and treatment of this disease. As we all know, the incidence of skin cancer has been increasing worldwide and India has not been spared. The recent data shows that approximately 10 lakh new melanoma cases are diagnosed per year, and with the global warming and the subsequent increase in temperature per year as well as the UV radiation, this number will keep on rising unless an awareness is spread among the population. What is not known among the general population is that skin cancer is a preventable cancer, and a basic knowledge about the risks of the disease, and by adopting the sun-safe behaviors, this disease can be prevented. Now, coming on to the risks of the skin cancer, the single most common cause of skin cancer is exposure to sunlight. The ultraviolet rays is the primary cause for occurrence of the skin cancer. It has been observed that even in a cloudy weather, the ultraviolet rays can penetrate through the skin cells and cause damage, leading up to the carcinomas. And it has also been observed that intermittent exposure to intense sunlight is equally detrimental to the skin as is the chronic exposure to the sunlight. It has also been observed that multiple sunburns and blistering sunburns are at a greater risk of developing carcinomas in a patient. It is a well-known fact that melanin is protective towards ultraviolet rays, and thus the individuals with fair skin or light-colored hair or light-colored eyes are more susceptible to skin cancers. The other causes of skin cancer include genetic predisposition. A patient, an individual with a family history of 2 or more non-cutaneous carcinomas in their family or in themselves have a greater risk of developing skin cancer. Other than that, immunocompromised patient or patient who are post-transplant, be it the solid organ transplantation or hematopoietic stem cell transplantations, are more susceptible, as are the patients with HIV and AIDS. The rare genetic conditions like xeroderma pigmentosa patients are more susceptible to squamous cell or basal cell carcinomas. Coming to the prevention of skin cancers, the single most important factor is decreasing the exposure to sunlight, and thus the exposure to UV radiation. It has been observed that UV radiation is maximum during the daytime, that is from 10 AM to 4 AM. Thus, any individual should try to avoid stepping out into the sunlight during daytime. If at all a person has to step out, he or she should take care to cover up the whole body with long sleeved shirts and pants. It is very essential to use a broad spectrum sunscreen which has protection against UVA and UVB ultraviolet radiations, and after excessive sweating and going for a swim is recommended. And it is also recommended to apply the sunscreen at least 20 to 30 minutes before stepping out into the sun.